Hi and welcome back to another episode of Cafe Chronicles. We're going to finish some painting today. Dan and Tello.
Steve is having stroke. I want to say call 911, but if he dies, this episode won't air.
I'm going to call you Dan and Tello from now on, rather than Don and Tello. Yeah. So Dan Ontello here is going to do some more painting on the frame. We're going to have that frame finished. The other parts are cured and nice and dry. They look great. We're going to paint the swing arm as well, and then we'll have everything painted and we'll be ready for next week, hopefully starting to do some reassembly. Let's get stuck in. Just something to be careful of when painting is that you're going to get covered in paint. And we figured that out. But it could be worse. We could be getting it up our nose. But that was last week.
That was last week.
So this week we've got masks and beer. Luckily the beer is helping. We're out here. We just put on a few coats in the garage. And we're like, it's probably better if we get out and let it settle a little bit. And then we're going to try and put on maybe 2 more coats on it. What do you think? Yeah. It's kind of hard with the frame, it's so big from a rattle can perspective, so we hope we're kind of doing the right thing, but we'll see how it goes. Dan's,
Overspray.
Dan's garage. I think we've just epoxied it. It'll never be the same out here, Dan. Look, we're done. We've painted the frame. We've painted the swing arm. They're already looking pretty good. You know, hopefully they'll continue to look good.
Well, the goal is more black than silver. I think we're in the clear.
Yeah, yeah. We've put on like multiple coats, like 5, 4, 3. We did lots of like half coats and touch-ups as well.
Yeah.
It's probably 3 good coats on there, you know. Dan will keep an eye on it during the week, and if he sees that something needs a little touch-up, he'll hit it as well. That basically means we're ready to put that back together, which is exciting. We still have to put the tires on the rims. Dan got the tires, they look cool. We have to paint the rims and prep them, and we got to put the new tires on. So we'll do that. What? You're looking at my football marks?
We have to finish the seat.
Oh, oh, you had to bring up the seat.
Next week on the seat.
Oh man, the seat. I've been having nightmares about that freaking thing. Yes, we do have to finish the seat, but we're getting there. You know, we've painted up the frames. That's looking great. We're a step closer. I think this means that next week we can actually start to reassemble, which is really cool. I'm really glad that we have that finished, you know. Underneath our masks, you know, it's funny where we've been like breathing and stuff, the paint has come in here, which just tells you the amount of paint. We've gotten it done. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully you'll be able to see kind of a little bit more progress and see things get a little bit closer. And don't forget to check out in the description as well, we have Dan's list of all the parts that we've been purchasing, Dan's been purchasing for the bike. And make sure that you check that list out. For anyone new, we create this list. We've got a link in the description. It has all of the parts that we've been either considering purchasing or we have purchased. So check that out. If you don't agree with any of that, let us know. That's kind of it. What's your takeaway from painting the frame? Would you do it again?
No.
No, it wasn't that bad.
It wasn't that bad. It's a lot better to do when you have a proper booth, when you have proper ventilation, when you have proper time, so that you're not...
Proper painters.
Proper painters, so that you're not making an absolute mess of your garage, and ventilation being concerned, you are not stinking up either your place of residence or your own lungs.
Yeah.
You can always buy a new house. Lungs are pretty expensive last time I checked the black market.
Yeah, stop. Why are you on the black market checking for lungs? That's different. That's a different conversation. We'll talk about that off camera. But yeah, you're right. Like it's messy. It's you know, it's not great. But budget build.
Budget wise, can't beat the price.
We've saved ourselves a lot of money. We've heard good things about the paint. So let's see. We'll be your guinea pigs, and we'll see. We should just call ourselves the guinea pigs, you know. But you know, we'll figure out. We'll see what way it holds up, and we'll let you guys know.
Cafe Chronicles of 2 half-tanked guinea pigs.
Yeah, we're 2 half-tanked guinea pigs. 2 half-tanked guinea pigs.
Man, this t-shirt that we're gonna end up designing is gonna be so heckin' complicated, guys. Just a guinea pig on a motorcycle, like with the drunk bubbles leading over to the side.
Half-tanked. All right, so thanks for tuning in. Stay safe. We'll see you soon.